Conductor.
Yeah. The ending of an era, the changing of the guard, the arrival of the kingdom as Babylon falls. Life in the Messiah, the writings on the wall, repent and believe, soon there will be fire on the floor. Fire on the floor. Fire! Yeah, the weak will call it hate. They say we speak in anger. The sober truth to a liar sounds like the middle finger. The docile puppet under the musket of a robbed child. Type of man that they love, type responding well to the lockdowns. Every surviving bowling pin within they seek to knock down. Trade our pure religion for their sinful system that chops down every holy thing that Elohim ever established. One of the first holy things was the true biblical Sabbath. Replace the day, forsake his way, create spiritual bastards. Taking a man named tribe and tongue will drive that man to madness. After the pain, after the shock, after all the initial sadness, we still sung Kumbaya to the Abba of Mosaic chapters. And Yah sudden coup d'etat gon' leave them all with ashes. Second Thess 1:8, make repentance a practice. The blood of Christ will give a humble man infinite access. Why this industry keep calling my recordings my masters? Y'all still believe the lie that we were all randomly captured? That's a prophecy for God's children, that wound is massive. Our hearts fractured, they rinse our heritage in acid. Y'all woke me up, I bought a Smith & Wesson, it's plastic, classic. Not for protection, that's for reflection. When I contemplate my Free States Amendment, I need a second. The real blessing is the Father's presence. In love, he led his children through the Fertile Crescent. Promised Land vibes, I know the name is on the guest list. The number of the sand and stars, written on the capacity by the exit. Tribulation is spiritual stimulation. Shalom to my brothers abstaining from fornication. Power in his spirit, make the body follow. Empty the clip upon his flesh, the copper tip is hollow. Salute the ending of an era, the changing of the guard, the arrival of the kingdom as Babylon falls. Life in the Messiah, the writings on the wall, repent and believe, soon there will be fire on the floor.